Now we are going to do a problem based on speed. The question given is a car travels 30 km at a uniform speed of 40 km per hour and the next 30 km at a uniform speed of 20 km per hour. Find its average speed. So the total distance traveled is 60 km. You can see that the car travels first 30 km at 40 km per hour speed and the next 30 km at 20 km per hour speed. So the total distance traveled is 60 km. So the first half, that is 30 km, it travelled at a speed of 40 km per hour. And the next 30 km at a speed of 20 km per hour. So this is the speed, 20 km per hour and 40 km per hour. So that is the speed. Now what you have to find is the average speed. So we know that if an object is traveling at different speed, we will be able to find the average speed of the object, isn't it? So what is the equation for average speed? Average speed is equal to total distance traveled divided by total time taken. So total distance traveled divided by total time taken. That is the average speed. So when an object is traveling at different speed, we are able to find its average speed. So here we know what is total distance traveled, that is 30 plus 30. So total distance traveled is 30 km plus 30 km. So that is equal to 60 km. Now when you come to time taken, what is the time taken? We don't know what is the time taken, isn't it? We don't know what is the time taken here because it is not given. It has taken to travel 30 km takes 10 minutes. There is no data about it. So we have to find the time taken. How can you find the time taken? The total time taken. We can find the total time taken by finding the time taken for the first 30 km and then finding the time taken for the next 30 km, and by adding those two time we will be able to get the total time taken. So for that, how can you find the time taken? We know the equation of speed. Speed is equal to distance divided by time. Here two values are given, isn't it? Distance is given, speed is given. So if any two of this is given, the next one can be found easily. So in the first case, which is a speed, first case speed is equal to 30 km. Speed is equal to 40 km per hour. Now, what is the distance? 30 km. Now, what is the time taken? Not given. Not given. So, we can write time taken is equal to time is equal to 30 kilometer divided by 40 kilometer per hour. So this or that will be per hour. So this will go up and this will be cancelled. So this will, you will be get 3 by 4 hours. Okay, the next case. In this case, speed is equal to distance divided by time. Now, what is the speed? 20 kilometer per hour is equal to 30 kilometer per time. We don't know time. So this is equal to time is equal to 30 20 kilometer per hour is cancelled. So this will be like this. Equal to 30 20 3 by 2 hours. So 3 by 2 hours. So we got the time taken for both. For the first 30 kilometer it take 3 by 4 hours, and the second 30 kilometer take 3 by 2 hours. So by adding these two, we will get the total time taken. So adding these two, that means by 4 plus 3 by 2. By adding these two, we will get the total time taken, that is equal to. So this, we know how to do this. So the denominators should be same, that into 2 into 2. Isn't this equal to 3 plus 6 divided by 4 is equal to 9 by 4. This is the 9 by 4 hours. This is the time taken. Total time taken is 9 by 4 hours. So applying in this equation, it's equal to 30 plus 30 kilometer per 9 by 4 hours. It's equal to 60 divided by 9 by 4. So 4 will go up. Equal to 60 into 4 divided by 9. So it's equal to 6 into 4 is equal to 24. 240 divided by 9. It's kilometer per hour. Kilometer per hour. It's equal to 26.6 kilometer per hour. So 26.6 kilometer per hour is the average speed of the car. Hope you understand.